Good day, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 11a. In the diagram alongside circles with centers M and P touch each other externally at N. So this is the center of the bigger circle, the center of the bigger circle. Then they touch each other externally at N. M, the center of the bigger circle, lies on the y-axis. You see that? Then P, the center of the smaller circle, lies on the x-axis. Okay. The equation of the straight line MNP is 3y plus 4x is equal to 12, and MN is 3 units. MN is 3 units. Determine the equation of the circle with center P. We need the equation of this smaller circle here. But for us to be able to find the equation, we need to find what? We need to find the coordinates of P and find the coordinates of M. And then from the coordinates of P and M, we'll find the distance MP, or the length of MP. And then once we get the length of MP, we can find the length of NP. Because remember, for us to be able to write the equation of a circle, we need the size of the radius, or the length of the radius, and also the coordinates of that, of the center. Okay, right. Now let's find the coordinates of M and the coordinates of P. Let's start with the coordinates of P. So P is the x-intercept. We know that the x-intercept, the y is equal to 0. So x-intercept, okay, y is equal to 0. So where there's y, put 0, so it becomes 3 times 0 plus 4x is equal to 12. Then 4x is equal to 12, and x is equal to 3. Therefore, the coordinates of P are P is 3, 0. Okay, done then. The coordinates of P. And then we have, let's find the coordinates of M, which is the y-intercept. Y-intercept, we know that y-intercept, x is equal to 0, comes 3y plus 4, where there's x, we put 0, is equal to 12. And then 3y is equal to 12, then y is equal to 4. So the coordinates of M are what? Is 0, 0, 4. Okay, right. So now we have the coordinates of M and P. So we can find the length of MP, and then from there we can find the length of what? Of NP, which is the radius of the smaller circle. Right, let's just do that now. We have the coordinates of P, which is here, is 3, 0, and then here 0, 4. Okay, right. So let's find the length. Let's find the length. This one is 3 units. This one is 3 units. Right, let's find the length. How do you find the length? So the length of MP is equal to x coordinate of P minus x coordinate of M squared plus the y coordinate of P minus the y coordinate of what? Of M. Okay, all this squared. So meaning that MP is equal to the x coordinate of P is 3 minus 0 squared plus yp, it should be 0 minus 4. Yeah, 0 minus 4. And then what you get, MP is equal to 5 units. So meaning that this distance from there up to there is 5 units. Okay, so if this distance is 5 units, this one is 3 units, what is this distance from there up to there? It means this one is going to be 2 units, isn't it? 2 units. So therefore, NP is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 units. Right. So now we have the center, the coordinates of the center of P, the coordinates of center P and the radius. Remember, the equation of a circle is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. So it's going to be x minus 3, isn't it? Or x minus 3. So x minus 3 squared plus, and then y minus 0, y minus 0, y minus 0. We're substituting these coordinates here, x and y coordinates. Squared is equal to 2 squared. And then we can leave our equation like this, still fine, it's okay. So this is the equation of this circle there. This one is y squared, and then is equal to 2 squared. Or you write 4 is still fine, same thing. So that's what you're supposed to do there. Right, we're going to meet when we do question 11b.